I'm Angela Ortiz for Se Fija Online, and here I am standing next to one of the characters of the film Into the Storm, Titus. Titus is a really wonderful machine. It's built with different cameras to be able to, if you were in a hurricane or looking at a tornado, you'll be able to capture everything around you. It has a camera up at the top that shows you at 360 degrees. So we'll be talking more about the film with some of the actors of the film. So stay tuned and check out the website for more information. The film comes out on August 8th.